Alright, so this is the situation I'm in. This hose right here has a coolant leak. So I gotta replace it. Not a hose, but it's like a crossover pipe thing. Here, I'll show you what. This is my new one. I just got it in. Check it out. Brand new. Basically how this thing is it's just a metal pipe that's pressed in there, as you can see. So I don't know, over time there's corrosion or something. I don't know. I was wondering if you can just like drop some like plumbing solder down there and see if that would seal up that seal, but oh well. So I got that, and then I also got some new gaskets if I can find them. Ah, here it is. Some new gaskets, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace that. I also got some new O-rings for the dipstick. One here, one here. There we go. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. It looks like it's just 2 bolts here, 2 bolt here, and something that holds that harness on. But before that, I probably have to drain the coolant a little bit. No worries. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, so here I got my old pipe. Here's my new pipe. So the old pipe, you can see it's okay condition. You look under there, it's still kind of pressed in, but it looks like it's kind of coming out. And then if you shake it left and right, there's a lot of play there. Like a lot of play. Well, the new one is solid, so I guess over time, I don't know what happens. Maybe the metal shrinks or something. Like this thing, yeah, you can see this thing is about to come out. There we go. It just comes out. So maybe there's some like gasket sealer. Oh, there's a little something here. So I guess Toyota put some kind of gasket sealer in there or something, and over time it tends to break down or something. So there it is. I think if you just clean it up and put some more gasket sealer, you'll probably be good to go. But whatever, I'm already here. I might as well just replace it. Alright, it's time to put the new one in, and then I should be good with that. Alright, so I also took off these 2 coolant lines. One is attached to here, another one is attached to that metal hose thing that goes to that pipe right there, because I had to take them off. So I'm gonna give them to my friend, and hopefully he'll come up with some silicone ones for me, so I can just upgrade while I'm in there. I mean, I am thinking about replacing the heater hoses because I'm already this deep into the car. So I don't know if I should do that right now, but this is like literally the best time to do that. I don't know. But I have some time to think about it, so I'm going to go ahead and reinstall that piece again. I got my gaskets ready, and I'm going to pop them in again. Cleaned off the surfaces too, but wasn't too much dirt on there. Alright, and here's the new one in. Wasn't too bad. I mean, once you have the intake manifold, man, you got all the room in the world for this stuff. So I gotta contemplate if I want to switch out these heater hoses, because this is like the best time, because there's so much crap in the way that I can't imagine doing the heater hoses without the intake manifold in the way. So I don't know, but maybe, because the intake manifold like goes up over here, so I'll still have access to this stuff, I think. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and replace those 2 hoses that I took off. Just the one that goes from here to this pipe here, and the one that goes here to the new pipe there, and then that's it. And as for the old unit, I'm pretty sure you could mend this somehow. Like, I don't know, get a new pipe and cut it and just press it down, and then add a bunch of silicone that can withstand coolant or something. So I'll probably throw this thing on eBay or something just to see if someone wants it, because these things are like 90 bucks, and if you can buy it for a fraction of the price, I'm pretty sure someone will. So I'm gonna see if I can get these replaced, and then we'll be good to go.